Hello, this is Miss Tony. It's my backyard. Right now, I'm getting my tree pruned. My orange tree, as you can see that, it's a lot of branches on the ground. Vance is going to explain to you this pruning process that I don't know. Can you?
Good morning. The pruning process is removing selective parts of the tree and removing selected parts of the tree and trimming it down so that next year's crop will grow back nice and sweet. So we are now pruning, and we're going to cut the tree down so that we can grow a nice fresh crop of fruit next year. This is Mr. Enrique, and he is trimming and pruning the tree.
That's actually Miss Enrique assistant. Miss Enrique is taking a break. But he's doing a great job. You want to
So now we're going to and what we're doing is removing selective parts of the tree so that it can grow back nice and pretty and fresh crop for next year.
I'm also learning what pruning is. I think the last time this tree was cut maybe 10 years.
This tree is full of oranges. So
And
next year we want to trim and prune it so that it will grow nice, sweet, juicy oranges for next year's crop. This concludes the first session of our taping for pruning. We are back, and we are cutting all the branches up that have been cut off the tree. And we have to take the branches, cut them up. Mr. Enrique is cutting them up, and he's going to take them out to the dump, where they dump all the trash, like the big trash truck that you saw earlier. We are going to dump this at the dump where the trash truck goes. And look how pretty the tree looks now that it has been cut and pruned. Woo, it's a lot of work. And these guys are working real hard to make the tree look pretty so that it can bear good fruit for next year. All right, that is all for now.
Orange tree. Woo! This is fun, but I'm getting dizzy, but it's still fun.